So we just went ahead, and Eric was so happy to have his coilovers. He installed them real quick. Got here some adjustment setups, and he has lowered it down to the max, just for fun and giggles and gaggles. Shenanigans. Yeah, man. We got everything set up. Now they just need the bumper, and of course we got new headlights, new side scope fenders, and yeah, we're gonna try and start it right now because we got a new battery. And if you see that there, that's the next installation we're gonna do eventually. But gonna do a lot of stuff still. Got some lights. Let's see if it's gonna start. Of course it's gonna start. I hope so. Ja? Doe de deur dicht. Deur dicht. Dan moet je keihard eruit rijden. En in de sloot gelijk. If it catch fire, catch a fire. I told him to send it in the Wacht. Die kabel zit een beetje strak. Er zat.
Ja, ik had het ook een tijdje.
Wauw, gelijk vol gas. Ja, doe eens, probeer eens nu. Rij eens vooruit. Dus zij dat gaan we even open. Look how happy he is. Look at his face. Huh? Ja, het is zo die uitlaat. Uitlaat is net nieuw, toch? Go take it for a shakedown.
Hey,
er is geen stoel, man. There's no freaking chair. But we got a nice cushion around here.
ja, en dan wil je een steentje zo.
Bumper. Okay, let's do this. Let's. Feels good so far.
Ruikt goed. Oh,
Wat was dat?
dat zijn blaadjes.
Oh, wow.
Deze moet ik even vastpakken.
Oh, snap.
Nee, wacht, maakt niet uit.
Yeah, we forgot. We forgot something.
Het stikt wel een beetje, man. Hetzelfde maat denk ik toch.
Oké.
Ik ook. Kan ik daarheen?
Ik heb mijn telefoon trouwens.
En die heb je bij.
Oh, snap. Wat is dat?
Dat is waarschijnlijk een pan.
Die pan?
Een pan? Ik weet niet. Het ging over een hobbel heen.
Oh, het kan trouwens. Het is zo laag nu.
Dat is misschien niet zo best niet.
Maar ik zal maar even naar achteren gaan. Nog lekker rustig naar achteren gaan.
Ja, dat denk ik ook. Ik denk ook.
So far so good.
Ik heb helemaal geen stuurbekrachtiging nodig. Hier is het.
Now the first drive went pretty well. We got some things that we're gonna install today. Of course, those are the BC Coilovers. I already did an installation of coilovers before. You can check that if you want, because we're gonna rush a little bit through this. These are the EK ones, of course, with the I think the BS, right?
BSRS.
The
BRRS.
BRRS one, fully adjustable. And yeah, we already did the front. Now we're gonna do the rear. It's plain simple. You have 2 screws on the top, and I think 2 screws, 2 bolts on the rear.
On the side.
Beneath.
On the underside.
On the underside? On the underside. Okay, I hope you get what we're talking about, because we usually don't speak English like this, but unfortunately, sometimes today we are very tired and doing stupid stuff. But anyhow, let's start this installation. Oh ja, je wou dat ik boven zou staan, hè? Even.
Kan ik ook doen.
Dit is die werkkabel. Ja, ga verder.
Zullen we dat in Formule 1 noemen? Als je de voorste coilovers, nou überhaupt gewoon, als je auto voor lager is dan achter. Weet je hoe dat heet?
Drag.
Huh?
Drag.
Hoe?
Um,
Dat is nog meer in het Engels dan. Rake noemen ze dat.
wat dan?
R-A-K-E.
Brake.
Nee, A-R-A-K-E. Rake. Niet break, maar rake.
He got so much rake.
Oh wow, vandaar dat hij er op de keer heen gaat.
Wacht, ik ga wel, want
Helemaal achter of een beetje voor?
Raider.
so I just unscrewed 2 bolts around here. There's the one right here and the one beneath. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. So that one there and that one there, 14 millimeter, and we got on the top we got 2. Let me show you real quick. So we got, oh my god, please. We got these 2, 14 millimeter as well. Loosen these, and strut will get right out of there. So the only thing you have to do is put a foot around here, bend it down, and get the strut out. So maybe Eric can demonstrate that for us. Please, Eric, put your foot there. If you can, if you please.
My foot?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, put it down.
Yeah. So we can show the guys how it's done. Yeah.
Alright.
No, you know what? Let me see. No, wait a minute. So the LCA on the bottom, you gotta eventually get that out of the way. If you if you bend it down, you eventually get your strut out. Let me show that real quick. So, and just like that, very simple. Now to insert the new ones, the BC ones, it goes the same way as I already demonstrated. Very simple, and yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. So we had a little bit of a hiccup. Normally when the EKs, they got a little nut around here. Notice something? Yes, the BCs do not got, they don't got them, and they don't come with the package. So what we did, we just had some from the old coil, from the old struts that comes on the top side of the bolts, like this one, like these ones. You can use them, and what we did is we put how do you call these ones? These type of rings, so that the washer don't back out again. So that's what we did for solutions. Because Loctite, yeah, if you put Loctite on them, those bolts, especially those bolts, they break very fast. So eventually we did go with these nuts.